This is what pro-level intelligence looks like. The I-Series redefined. Meet the Navimow i2 LiDAR Pro. Drop it down and it gets to work on its own. Powered by our most advanced navigation yet, the Triple Fusion system. It builds an ultra-detailed 3D map in real time. Layered with color and depth for lifelike perception. Enabling 1 centimeter obstacle avoidance for both static and moving objects. In open areas, positioning stays precise to the centimeter. Under trees and shade, control stays steady and assured. Even at night, the mower simply performs. It climbs with power while staying perfectly balanced. Active steering makes every turn smooth and exact, never pulling or tugging a single blade of grass. Across any terrain with confidence. A 100-watt motor powers every cut with precision. Fast, even, clean from edge to edge. Your garden, visualized like never before, in a vivid layout controlled from your phone. Smarter, stronger, precise on every terrain. Lawn care, now at the pro level.